welcome to my channel, or back to my channel if you've seen it before. I'm Moto Mick Adventures. If you may have seen some of my other videos where I ride a Honda 450 around the Italian Alps and the Trans-European Trail in the UK. This is a 1974 machine, but I found, as you would see if you'd watch the videos of the Welsh trails, they were a bit too extreme for that machine, a bit too heavy. So I'm now got a project on where I'm going to use a new machine. It is a 1978 Honda XL 350. The carburettor is a little bit suspiciously new looking, and I've looked it up because it has an accelerator jet and all on, which they never had. I think this is one of those cheap Chinese carbs, and it's not even connected here because it doesn't reach to the airbox. Now, I've looked on the internet and you don't seem to be able to get one of these for a 350, so this is a 250 carb, I suspect. It's got little jobs to be done, like here the foot peg rubber's coming away. 5,786 miles. I actually don't think that's genuine at all. The levers are in good order, but the mounts, the thread has gone on this one and the same on that one. And the forks are in good order, except for they're leaking, obviously, where it's been stood standing. And they're not pitted, a little tiny bit of pitting up here, but that'll come out. So they should be fairly good. Front wheel's good. Right, I'm now going to try and get the bike running. It's got fresh fuel in it and a new fuel pipe on it. Well, she's running and the engine sounds very sweet. All the repairs done. Coming up in the next video, I'll be testing it on some of my local lanes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.